So in this video I'm just going to show you quickly the graph of some sort of function with the modulus on it. So it looks quite weird, it's quite different, and if you haven't seen it before it might throw you off in the exam. So I'll just go through it quickly. So say if we have the function here f of x is equal to the modulus of x plus 2. Yeah, so it's always the positive value of x plus 2. If we want to graph this, so it's the same way if you watch our videos on functions, you can see how to graph a function the easy way. So you're going to write x and then you're going to write f of x here. So remember, f of x is just the same as y. And then we're going to write all of our different values. So we're going to graph this one from -4. And then we're just going to keep going. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we'll just say 4. Okay, so -4 to 4. And then I'll do these just in yellow. So what you're going to do is it's going to be f of x is equal to, so you're going to sub your value of -4 into your modulus. So it's going to be -4 plus 2, and you're going to find what your f of x or your y value is for your x. Okay, so that's going to be the modulus of -2, because -4 plus 2 is going to be -2, which is just going to be equal to 2. Right, so I'll write that in. Then the same here, so we say f of x is equal to now -3 plus 2. Again, just put -3 in to x here. That's equal to the modulus of -1. And then that's just equal to +1. Okay, so I'm not going to do that for all of them. The rest of them I'm just going to scribble out as they are. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you'll see that here that they're all positive. So remember, the modulus means they all have to be positive. So if you want to graph this, it's going to look a little bit odd or a little bit different. So I just quickly drew out the axis there. So I'm going to use this and the points here, and I'm going to basically label each coordinate, and then I'm going to connect them all. So -4 is the x coordinate, and then f of x, remember, is the same as y, so 2 is the y coordinate. So actually I'm just going to have to quickly label this for up to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know they're not exactly the same, but sure, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so anyway, our first point is -4 and 2. So it's going to be -4 and 2. And again, this won't be perfect without graph paper. Then it's 1 and -3. And it's -2 and 0. And it's going to be 1, -1 and 1. This point here, it's going to keep going up in ones till about here. Okay, so it's going to look like this, and then maybe a straight line there. So again, just because I scribbled it out and I didn't have graph paper, it's not going to be totally neat, but it's going to be a straight line, and then it's going to bounce off the x-axis, and it's going to be a straight line that way as well. Okay, so because it's a modulus, remember, so modulus, and that always means positive. Okay, so means positive. So modulus graphs, they don't go below the x-axis, because that would be negative. Then if you start going down here, you're getting down to -1, -2. So they can be negative on this side, but they don't go below the x-axis. So don't go below x-axis. And that's all I really wanted to say to you. Just if you did see it in the exam and you hadn't seen it before, you might think it's a little bit weird, but that's basically what a modulus graph looks like. So I just wanted to do that to familiarize yourself with it. So hopefully you understood it, hopefully you enjoyed it. That's pretty much all of algebra done, so we'll see you in the next topic, whichever one you choose to watch. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is our logo. There's a link in the description. You can sign up to notes on everything, not just maths like these videos here, and there's also loads of free features, like you can look at all of the questions that have ever come up on any topic, all for free. So ExamLearn, make sure to sign up. See you next time.